Hey guys, Charlie with Tin Man Metalworks here. I got a free Valentine's Day file for you, and I'm going to show you how to personalize it for your customers. I will leave some product photos for you down in the link, as well as a copy and paste file ad description for you to throw up on social media and make some Valentine's money. It is creeping up on us pretty quick here, so let's just jump into this. So we're just going to go over here and grab our text tool. We're just going to write out our names. Wow, I don't know why that wrote that so small, but so we got our one name. We're going to grab the text tool again, write the second one. Go up here and grab our selection tool. Size your name appropriately. Now you can get the sizes perfectly by paying attention to what they are up here. But those are about the same, so I'm going to put one here and one here on this arrow. We are going to grab our magnifying glass and just zoom in here. Now, if you take your name and you double click it, it's going to pull up these arrows here. You can rotate it. Just put it down here on, just put it down here on the arrow shaft to where it's touching. Perfect. Center it a little bit. Go over here. Click this one twice. It'll pull up these handles. Just rotate your name. Pull it down on there. Just going to hit the minus key to zoom out. We are going to just highlight that, all three of those pieces, come up here to path and union, and send it on over to your table and cut it out. Make some money. I've been sizing these at about 20 inches. I've been cutting them out of 14 gauge. You can use 16 gauge, even 18 gauge. Guess it depends on your personal preference. I just prefer 14 gauge, cold rolled for now. Anyway, take this file. It's down in the description along with some product photos and a sales ad for you to just copy and paste up on your social media. And good luck to you. I hope you make some money this Valentine's Day. See you next time.